To simplify your gallery app by creating a group on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open gallery app. Make sure you are in the album tabs. Next, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen and then tap group. Enter the name for your new group. Tap create. Next, tap the group and then tap add albums. Select the albums you like to include. And then tap add at the bottom of the screen. Tap the back key. As you can see, a new group has been created on your gallery app and the selected album are now placed in this group. Given to the function grouping albums, not only can help you simplify your gallery, but also can help you organize your album, quickly find related album, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.